guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have an unboxing video for you. Well, technically I already unboxed it, but I recently just ordered this Singer heavy duty machine. It is the Singer 4452. So let me show y'all. Hi. I'm so happy with this purchase because it has a metal bed. So I was looking at a lot of reviews, I was looking at a lot of videos, and there was not that much videos on this machine. Just so we're clear, it's the Singer 4452 heavy duty machine. Now this machine has a metal flatbed, which I really like. I like that it's metal because it's heavier, obviously, and it can sew more heavy duty fabrics. It does come with a pack of leather needles. These babies right here. So these are 16, that's the size. It comes with a walking foot. Here we go. Here's the walking foot right here. It comes with a little baggie right here, filled with all the little knickknacks that you need. That comes with a sewing machine, extra bobbins, invisible zipper foot, a button foot. I'm so happy. So happy. And then it comes with regular needles. These are the 14-inch needles, but it only comes with 3. I'm not gonna act ungrateful. I'm actually thankful that it comes with some, but they could have at least added 2 more in there. The 16 one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is amazing because I break needles all the time. It does come with a seam ripper and the little lint fluffer cleaning thingy. I haven't sewn on this machine yet, but maybe I should. So I'm gonna hook it up and I'm gonna show y'all how this baby works. So I'm gonna plug in the machine. The cotton thread is better than polyester thread. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. The little cutter thing is here. It does come with a self thread cutter on the side. Needle hole always faces in front of you. And I'm gonna thread it with white thread because the fabric I'm using has some white to it. This holds the thread in place. Okay, the string through the bobbin hole. Right now I'm working on a button-down shirt. This is the fabric, so I pinned everything together. I'm gonna show you all how this thing sews. And then that also has the foot thing. I'm usually used to it being like on the side here or on the side here, but it's in the back. So I already adjusted to the regular settings. The length is on 1. The regular stitch, which is the straight stitch next, it's right next to the button hole. The width is between a 3 and a 2, and the tension is at a 4, which is the ideal setting. Button, the reverse button is right over here, so it's right here. So you can go backwards or forwards. And I'm sewing at a 1/2 inch, so. Stitching is pretty good. You can't even tell that I stitched it, really. Sewing on the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is pretty good. So far, so good. When it's set correctly, then you'll get better results. And it all varies because it's based on what fabric you're using. If you're using like a lighter fabric, the tension minimum should be a 4. If you're using a heavier fabric, then that's when you can increase the tension a little more higher. If you're using a medium fabric, then you can increase it just a little bit over 4 or 5 to 6. Basically, the needle width is how far apart the thread is. I put at the basic minimum, which is 2. You could do 3, you could do 4. Obviously, when you get higher, it gets bigger. When you get lower, it gets smaller. The length is usually like how far you're going. If you want like bigger stitches, then you can increase the length. And then lastly, you have the different stitch finishings that you can use. So I got this machine because the stitch finishings are more professional on this machine. You can do the straight stitch, you can do the zigzag stitch. I mean, there's different things. I say get a piece of muslin, buy muslin from your local Joann's, your local Hobby Lobby, your local Walmart, and just test out these different settings on the muslin. That is the best way to set up the machine and make sure that it's, you know, up to your standards and what you want to sew. It comes with a desk cover. Desk covers are really good. They're really, really good. It has like the little logo. They're really cool because you can just put them over your machine. People come over, you don't want people all up in your business, then you can, you know, you can cover your machine up. And then it has a little opening where you can still hold the handle and keep the machine covered. So I think that's a really good thing. I hope you found this video very helpful and interesting. I think that maybe I would do a video on like finding out like the perfect machines to use when it comes to certain projects or certain, you know, things that you're designing. Personally, I want a heavy duty industrialized like machine, so this was my best bet to order the Singer 4452. Overall, I really like it. It's heavy, it's sturdy. I will definitely do an update for you all, let you all know how it's holding up, how it's acting, if it's behaving. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.